I go. Okay. So hi there. I'm MARANI from MARANI PROAUDIO, and I'm here at the InfoComm 2026 for showing the latest products we did develop and we are introducing to the market. Specifically, I would like to start with a new series of our Class D amplifier for touring. The KDM 12KDM module, so the amplifier this is here beneath, is the latest one of the KDM series amplifier that is quite well known now in the market. This latest one is a new amplifier that is performing 4x3 kilowatts, so is bringing higher the power we can deliver. And we did change with this model also the front panel compared with the previous one of the Class D, of the Class KDM amplifier. On top, instead, I would like to bring your attention on the real new entry in the market for us. That is the new MDA4 KTM. So it's 12 KTM, sorry, I forgot. This is a new amplifier, completely new in terms of concept. Again, a 4x3 kilowatts. But with this amplifier, we introduced the possibility of have the real-time impedance detection that we are using for improving and optimize the power limitation of the amplifier. So to guarantee in any condition the perfect performances. This amplifier has also highly improved features in terms of processing. So to the processes were already available on the KDM series, we added here new algorithms like the profiler that are proprietary algorithms developed from MARANI. You can find maybe more information about this on our website. Together with the amplifier, we are showing here now the latest